Judge now steps in to help subdue the defendant. Feel like sticking.
The defendant is 18-year-old Keandre Cook. Cook was part of a planned robbery. Using a dating app, she lured another teen into a meeting where he was shot by her accomplice. The teen survived, and Cook accepted a plea deal. She is still being charged with carjacking, attempted carjacking, and felony battery.
All right, come on up, Miss Cook. You get to say the final words.
I think you got good in you, and I think you got potential. Don't lose sight of that.
Cook's sentence is reduced to 11 years in prison.
Judge R.W. Buzzard had just finished up with several defendants, including Cody Howard and Tanner Jacobson, who have appeared for multiple misdemeanor charges. Both men are addicted to meth, and at the thought of going through withdrawals, Howard decides on a daring course of action.
Neither of them feel like sticking around.
Judge Buzzard isn't going to take this escape sitting down and takes off in hot pursuit. The escapees are not slowed down by the handcuffs or orange prison-issued sandals, managing to recover from a fall before anyone can catch up. The judge manages to snag Howard as he is going through the door. Moments later, deputies arrive for backup. Jacobson has managed to make it several blocks away, but comes to his senses and gives up. Second-degree escape, which is a felony, is added to their charges. Judge Buzzard is still surprised over the actions that took place.
It was a normal, I think one was in on the first appearance on a new charge, and the other one was in on for failure to appear, so we were setting conditions of release, but shoved to slow him down and then just grab him, and we kind of fall out the door and hold him until law enforcement got
Backed up due to overscheduling, and Judge Murphy wants the defendant to waive his right to a trial in order to speed up the process. Weinstock has no intention of allowing that to happen. Just out of range of the cameras, the two men escalate their argument into a physical fight. Judge Murphy later claims that he believed Weinstock was moving. In Cleveland, Ohio, serial killer Michael Madison is about to be sentenced for the murder of 3 young women. Amanda Casal stands before the judge to be sentenced for driving while intoxicated, which resulted in the death of another driver, Jerome Zerker, and severely injured his fiancée. Before she is sentenced, Zerker's sister reads an emotional impact speech.
From the victim's children, read by his sister, Doreen Zerker.
Amanda, look what you did to my life. You ruined everything I had, like my dad's life.
Amanda seems devastated by Doreen's words.
Casal is visibly upset and remorseful. This is more than can be said for some of her family members, including her mother. The judge catches Donna Casal laughing.
You can go too. Whoever can sit here at a tragic moment like this and laugh and smile when somebody has lost a family member, this is a court of law. You cannot come down to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice and act any way you want to act.
Donna Casal is removed from the court. The next day, Donna Casal is brought back from her stay in jail with a more subdued attitude.
Ms. Coulter, is there something you'd like to say?
Yes, I deeply apologize for what I did. I was under a lot of stress. And I deeply apologize for what I did in your court. I just needed to get out. And it's been very hard for me this year, and I know for the other family. And I'm so sorry for what I did. And I know it was wrong, and I apologize.
Things have to be conducted in decency and order.
I apologize.
You can't come to court acting a fool. I know people watch a lot of shows on TV where you see different things happening in make-believe courtrooms that give people a skewed sense of reality, but this is real life here, and we just can't have people behaving like that. It can't be tolerated. So I will modify your sentence for direct criminal contempt from 93 days to 1 day with credit for time served, and you should be released today.
God bless you, thank you. And I apologize very solely and for the other family.
Donna serves 1 day.
Thank you.
And is released.
Alan McCarty Jr. is on trial after threatening the life of the judge who presided over his custody battle, or so he thought, since that judge was not the one who denied him custody.
No, I'm not. I'm not under oath.
All right, raise your right hand. I'm going to swear you in.
I'm not under oath.
Raise your right hand, please.
That's your bad finger. I didn't appreciate that.
So you're going to threaten me like you did the other day?
McCarty is referring to his previous clash with the judge, as seen here.
No, I refuse. I refuse. He threatened to duct tape me. He threatened to duct tape me. I refuse. Did the other day?
Do you solemnly swear or
Threaten you to participate here.
No, you threatened my life the other day. I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. Y'all took my kids unrightfully. You want to allow my witnesses here? You want to allow my paperwork? Y'all took all my court paperwork.
We haven't started the trial yet.
It doesn't matter. You still deny it. You want to take my kids from me and act like that? You and that bitch. You and the bitch that took my kids.
Not only is McCarty incapable of directing his anger at the right judge, it turns out that he never had custody of his children in the first place.
Holly, make sure you take down what I said. He was sworn in.
No, I was not sworn in.
Yes,
I've never been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
So, that being said, number one, I need to know whether or not you want to be here during the trial process.
No.
All right, do you want to testify then?
No, I don't. This is all being done unconstitutionally, unrightfully.
Do you want to be in the room or not?
Do you want to?
I prefer not to, sir.
Well, you got a mouth for it.
No, do you want to be here or not?
Oh, who the wants to sit here while you take their kids? This is a conflict of interest. Every right y'all I supposedly have you violated. Can I get some more, please? I got a lot more cussing to do, and I need to drop wet mouth.
Do you want to be here when the jury's here?
What the do you think?
I don't know. I need you to answer.
Protection order has been brought against Jacob Larson. Larson has been harassing a former classmate on Facebook by sending numerous crude advances. This is in direct violation of the 93 days in the county jail.
Can't tell me to leave you alone. Can't tell me to leave you alone.
The court has received a message from the jury indicating that they've reached a verdict.
Villegas has been on trial 3 separate times for this crime. Aside from his confession, there is no evidence against him in the deaths of Armando Lazo and Robert England.